Hey future doctors, welcome back to the channel where NEET Chemistry becomes crystal clear. In today's video, we're starting from the very first chapter, some basic concepts of chemistry. This chapter might seem simple, but trust me, it builds the foundation for everything else. Whether it's stoichiometry, mole concept, or laws of chemical combination. We'll go through the most important NEET-level MCQs from this chapter, with clear explanations and smart tricks to save time in the exam. So, grab your notebook, stay focused, and let's make chemistry your strong subject from day one. Let's jump into the first question. Q1. Which of the following is a physical change? A. Rusting of iron. B. Burning of magnesium. C. Boiling of water. D. Digestion of food. Correct answer. C. Boiling of water. Explanation. Boiling changes the state but not the chemical composition. No new substance is formed. Q2. The SI unit of amount of substance is A. Kilogram. B. Mole. C. Liter. D. Gram. Correct answer. B. Mole. Explanation. 1 mole equals 6.0222 10 square entities, Avogadro's number. It measures the number of particles. Q3. Which law is obeyed during the formation of a compound from its elements? A. Law of conservation of mass. B. Law of constant proportion. C. Law of multiple proportion. D. Avogadro's law. Correct answer. B. Law of constant proportion. Explanation. A compound always contains elements in a fixed ratio by mass. Q4. Which of the following has the highest number of atoms? A. 1 mole of H2, B. 1 mole of O2, C. 1 mole of H2O, D. 1 mole of CO2. Correct answer. C. 1 mole of H2O. Explanation. H2O has 3 atoms per molecule, 3 times 6.02 times square root atoms in 1 mole. Q5. 1 mole of any gas at STP occupies 11.2 liter, B. 22.4 liter, C. 33.6 liter, D. 44.8 L. Correct answer. B. 22.4 liter. Explanation. Standard temperature and pressure STP, 1 mole gas equals 22.4 liters. Q6. The mass of 1 atom of oxygen in grams is approximately A. 2.66 times 10 square root g, B. 1.66 10 square root gram, C. 2.99 times 10 square root d, D. 3.01 times correct answer. A. 2.66 times 10 square root d gram. Explanation. Molar mass equals 16 grams per mole. Divide by Avogadro number to get mass of 1 atom. Q7. Who proposed the law of conservation of mass? John Dalton, B. Antoine Lavoisier, C. Joseph Proust, D. Avogadro. Correct answer. B. Antoine Lavoisier. Explanation. He stated that mass is neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. Q8. Which law is illustrated by the reaction of hydrogen and oxygen forming water in a fixed ratio? A. Law of conservation of mass. B. Law of multiple proportions. C. Law of constant proportions. D. Avogadro's law. Correct answer. C. Law of constant proportions. Explanation. Water is always formed by 2/16 mass ratio of hydrogen to oxygen. Q9. The number of significant figures in 0.00450 is A. 2, B3, C4, D5. Correct answer. B3. Explanation. Leading zeros are not significant. 4, 5, and trailing 0 after decimal are significant. Q10. Avogadro's number represents A. Number of atoms in 12 G of C, B. Number of molecules in 1 gram of substance, C. Number of particles in 1 mole, D. Atomic mass. Correct answer. C. Number of particles in 1 mole. Explanation. 6.022 times 10 squared per d word particles mole is the universal constant for mole. Q11. Which of the following has maximum number of molecules? A. 18 gram of H2O, B. 44 grams of CO2, C. 2 gram of H2, D. 28 grams of N2. Correct answer. C. 2 grams of H2. Explanation. 2 gram of H2 equals 1 mole equals 6.022 times 10 quadruplicate molecules. All others equals 1 mole, so all are equal. Q12. Dalton's atomic theory failed to explain. A. Law of conservation of mass. B. Law of constant proportion. C. Isotopes and isobars. D. Law of definite proportions. Correct answer. C. Isotopes and isobars. Explanation. Dalton assumed all atoms of an element are identical, not valid for isotopes. Q13. Which of the following is not a postulate of Dalton's atomic theory? A. Atoms can be created or destroyed. B. Atoms combine in whole number ratios. C. Atoms are indivisible. D. Atoms of the same element are identical. Correct answer. A. Atoms can be created or destroyed. Explanation. This violates the law of conservation of mass. Dalton did not say this. Q14. Which subatomic particle has negligible mass? A. Proton. B. Electron. C. Neutron. D. Alpha particle. Correct answer. B. Electron. Explanation: electron mass is 1/18836 of a proton, negligible. Q15, the atomic number is equal to A, number of electrons, B, number of protons, C, number of neutrons, D, both A and B. Correct answer, D, both A and B. Explanation: in neutral atom, atomic number equals no, of protons equals no of electrons. Q16, mass number of an atom is the sum of A, electrons plus neutrons, B, protons, neutrons, C, electrons plus protons, D, protons only. Correct answer, B, protons plus neutrons. Explanation: mass number equals number of nucleons equals protons plus neutrons. Q17, isotopes of an element have A, same atomic number, different mass number, B, same number of neutrons, C, different atomic number, same mass number, D, different number of protons. Correct answer, A, same atomic number, different mass number. Explanation: because number of neutrons varies, but proton number is same. Q18, the maximum number of electrons in a shell is given by A, N, 2N, C, 2N squared, D, N squared. Correct answer, C, 2N squared. Explanation: N equals shell number. Example: N equals 2 conic squared equals 8 electrons. Q19, who discovered the neutron? A, J.J. Thomson, B, Rutherford, C, Chadwick, D, Bohr. Correct answer, C, Chadwick. Explanation: in 1932, Wick discovered the neutron in the atomic nucleus. Q20, which quantum number describes the shape of an orbital? A, principal quantum number, N, B, azimuthal quantum number, L, C, magnetic quantum number, M, D, spin quantum number, S. Correct answer, B, azimuthal quantum number, L. Explanation: it defines the shape of orbital SPDF.